tanungin ninyo yung tao ninyo, padala ninyo dito sa national, and then the executive committee will all collate. Panagay ko naman walang dayaan dyan, and we will come up with a package so that yung lahat ng tao na dyan sa slate ng PDP will have the support of everybody. I will insist on that. Matagal na ako dito sa laro na ito eh. Kasi sabi, kanila lang yan, sila-sila yan. Hindi naman tayo kinukonsulta. So, ibaba mo talaga yan the fastest way that possible kung paano. And you can convene the